Ni hao, my name is Teacher Jen and I am from the Philippines. Now we are going to learn a new lesson. Are you all excited? Yay! So, how are you today? I hope everyone is happy. Can I see your face? Happy? Like this? Wow, wonderful. So, let us sing the song If You're Happy and You Know It. Come on, join me.
If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and
and
you
you
know
know
it,
it,
clap
clap
your
your
hands.
hands.
If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and
and
you
you
know
know
it,
it,
clap
clap
your
your
hands.
hands.
If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and you
and you
know
know
it,
it,
then your
then your
face will
face
surely
will
show it.
show it.
If you're
If you're
happy
happy
and
and
you
you
know
know
it,
it,
clap
clap
your
your hands.
hands.
If,
If
if
you're
you're
happy
happy
and you
and you
know it,
know it,
stomp your
stomp your feet.
feet. If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and you
and you
know it,
know it,
stomp your
stomp your feet.
feet. If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and you
and you
know
know
it,
it,
then your
then your
face will
face will
surely show
surely
it. If
show
you're
it. If
happy
you're
and you
happy
know
and
it,
you know
stomp
it,
your
stomp
feet.
your
If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and
and
you
you
know it,
know it,
shout hooray! Hooray!
hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If
Hooray!
you're happy and you know it, then your
Then your
face will
face will
surely
surely
show it.
show it.
If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and you
and you
know it,
know it,
shout
shout
hooray!
hooray.
Hooray!
Wow, you're so
If
good
you're
in
happy and you
dancing.
know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Clap, stomp, and
Hooray! If you're
hooray!
happy and you know it, then your face will
Your face
surely
will
show it.
show it.
If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and you
and you
know it,
know it,
do all
do all
three.
three.
Hooray!
Hooray! That's great. You're all good in dancing. Now, after that song, did you hear the words clap? Wow. How about the word stomp? Yes. And these are all called verbs. Now, what are verbs? Verbs are action words. They tell what the person, animal, or a thing is doing or has done. What do you call those? Verbs. Very good. And these are examples of verbs. Let's take a look on the video. The man is crossing on the street. On that picture, crossing is the verb or action word in the sentence. It tells what the man is doing. So crossing is the verb. Next, mother washes her hands with soap. Yes, what mother's doing? Very good. Mother washes her hands with soap. And in that video, washes is the verb or action word. Why? Because it tells what the mother is doing. Another picture. Wow! Who loves to eat ice cream? Agatha is eating an ice cream. And the verb is eating. Why? Because it tells what Agatha is doing with the ice cream. What is the verb again? Eating. Very good. And the last? Oh, why you're so happy and you're laughing there. Yeah, the picture says the dog is biting the bone. And the verb in that sentence is very good. It's biting. Dancing, playing or play, and cry. are other examples of verbs. So, kids, remember, verbs are action words. There is verb in every sentence. Okay? So, take a look on this slide. So, we are going to have an activity. There are words like girl, clap, dance, house, sing, and cook. Now, spot the verb. Yes. What is your answer? Very good. The words clap, dance, sing, and cook are verbs. Another activity for you. This time, you choose the words or the verbs in each sentence. Are you ready? Come on. I blank my teeth every day. Oh, you're raising your hand. Your answer is very good. Brush. Let's read it together. I brush my teeth every day. Very good. Next, the dogs blank in the pond. So the words there are pray, swim, and sing. And the answer is very good. It's swim. The ducks swim in the pond. Great job! Last, our family blanks before sleep. What is the appropriate verb in the sentence? Pray, swim, or sing? Yes, baby, your answer is pray. Very good. Let's read the sentence. Our family pray before sleep. Wow, you're doing great. So, in this lesson, you learned about verb. And the next lesson, we are going to talk about verb tenses in English. Did you learn something today? Yes. Are you still happy? Yes. So, thank you for listening. Goodbye.